How to fix verification code not receiving on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. First off, open your Settings app. Now toggle on for the option of Airplane Mode. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Likewise, open your Control Center. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Now here you're going to find this option of Focus. Make sure you haven't enabled Focus Mode. Once you check the settings, your problem might be fixed. Now heading towards next solution, close this, launch your messaging app. If you find the message from the app or the program that you are trying to get the verification code, you have to delete that message. Swipe to the right, click on this delete icon, click on delete. Now I can try to get verification code. Likewise, open your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of messages, open it. Now, if you have already enabled it, disable it. Then wait for a few minutes and then toggle it on. Likewise, scroll down. Enable for this option of MMS messaging. Also enable for this option of send as SMS. Then toggle off for this option of filter unknown sender. Then toggle off for the option of filter unknown senders. Now I can try to get verification code. Likewise, head back. Open this option of General. Scroll all the way down. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset network settings. With this, your problem might be fixed. If all the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is first restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button, and with that, Apple logo will appear and your device will force restart. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix verification code not receiving on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.